Okay, Siddharth. So you want Snap today for thermodynamics, and you are preparing for NMDC interview.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start your Snap mock, Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Siddharth, what is thermodynamics?
Sir, thermodynamics is the study of heat and heat transfer energy.
Study of energy.
Yes, sir.
Why we want to study this energy?
Sir, because in thermodynamics, you are concerned with the system, surroundings, and we want to study the interaction between these two in terms of work, heat, and so that is the main point.
Okay. So when there is an interaction between system and surrounding, what you can say when there is an energy interaction between system and surrounding, what type of effect we observe on system and surrounding?
Sir, we notice an increase in the internal energy, entropy in the system as well as in the surroundings.
Siddharth, what do you mean by reversible process?
Sir, in a reversible processor, the system is in an equilibrium state at each and every point of the processor. And so essentially, in a reversible process, we consider that there is no effect on the environment. It's a quasi-static process, sir.
A quasi-static process is a reversible process.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, like if you will take an example of a constant pressure, constant volume process, these are reversible processes.
No, sir, not always. I mean, it depends upon it depends upon how fast we are going. So constant processor in real life, it's always irreversible, but it can be in theoretically we can make it reversible. Yes, sir. So
What
same
about
goes for
externally reversible process? Externally reversible से क्या मतलब होता है? What do you mean by externally reversible?
sir externally. So for example, when there is heat transfer with a finite temperature difference. And so then there is externally it's externally irreversible because the process is
Very right.
yes, sir,
You're very close, Siddharth. You're thinking right.
Yes, sir. So in an external processor, there's a finite display. What do you say, sir? Finite. There's a difference in the levels, like temperature. We can say
Gradients, finite gradients.
Yes, finite. Yes, sir.
So how we can make a process externally reversible?
So what we can do is, sir, we can make it infinitely the difference. The gradient can be very small. And another very important factor is it should take a lot of time, sir. If the time is more and if the gradients are finite, then it can still be reversible. The time has to be a lot.
Means time is required, like sufficient time is required to add the heat transfer.
So actually infinite, we say, yes, sir. And it can be a finite gradient difference, but it has to be infinite, a lot of time for it to be reversible.
Siddharth, can you tell me something about the conservation of energy? What do you mean by law of conservation of energy?
Sir, the law of conservation of energy, also the first law of thermodynamics, states that the energy is always conserved. And it can only be converted into one form or another, but the quantity of energy is always conserved.
Quantity of energy is conserved.
Yes, sir.
What about quality?
So the quality keeps on decreasing. Quality keeps on decreasing. Sorry, sir.
Why quality decreases?
Sir, because of the presence of irreversibility, the energy keeps manifesting itself as entropies, and the entropy keeps on increasing, sir.
That you heard about free expansion?
Free expansion, sir.
Yes.
Sir, free expansion when there is no resisting pressure uh, for any expanding fluid, when there is no resisting pressure, it's called free expansion, sir.
Mhm.
So, like for example, if we put the gas in a vacuum chamber, then it experiences free expansion, sir.
Mhm. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So, like when we carry out the free expansion of an ideal gas, Siddharth,
Yes, sir.
okay, let me ask you one some case. Like suppose if I will give you some
Yes,
tank
sir.
in which there is some gas. This is not a case of free expansion. I'm not actually saying this is a free expansion. But suppose there is a tank and some gas is there inside the tank.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ideal gas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and suppose when you are expanding that gas through some valve, there is some valve attached to
Yes,
that
sir.
container, and that gas is going out. That ideal gas is going out to that tank. Suppose we are interested to find out the what is the mass of the gas left
Yes, sir.
from this container, and if you will assume this that temperature is constant, like the initial and final temperature during that process, temperature is constant. So how we can find out this mass of the gas which is actually left out from this container? You can go ahead with the basic simple data like which anything if you want to assume pressure or temperature anything. Okay, so what I'm saying, there is a container, some valve is attached, there is some gas inside this, some gas is going out through some valve. Okay, so if we want to find out, if we are interested in calculating that what is the mass of gas which is left out from the that valve, how we can find out if that initial and final results are same?
Sir, if the initial and final temperature are same, we have to, I think, look for equating the pressure in the tank and the surrounding. If the pressure are equal,
Mhm.
then we can proceed to find the mass.
Pressure, how pressure can be same? Like pressure is not same.
Yes, sir, but if it is evacuating, then it will like it will stop passing when the pressure are same, right, sir? Between the surrounding.
Temperature is same, volume is same. So pressure is also equal to same, Siddharth,
Sir, at the end,
because
it
container is of rigid volume, temperature
yes,
is
sir.
same, initial and final. So pressure is also required to same.
Sir, sir, because it's in because if the pressure are not same, then it will keep on evacuating, right, sir?
Yes, some gas, some mass of the gas is released from that valve. So when some mass is released, obviously the pressure inside is decreased. Pressure तो
Yes, sir.
decrease करेगा ना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mm. How do we lead? So our main intention is to find the mass of the gas in the cylinder at the final state.
Mass which is left out from the cylinder.
Just left out.
Okay, Siddharth, can you tell me something about the second law of thermodynamics?
So the second law of thermodynamics, it's like it has Kelvin Planck statement and a Clausius statement.
Mhm.
So the Kelvin-Planck statement states that it is impossible for a heat engine to produce work by interacting with only a reservoir with a single fixed temperature. And the Clausius statement is it is impossible for a device to transfer heat from a cold device to a hotter one without having any effect on the surroundings.
What's the difference between a heat pump and refrigerator?
Sir, main function of a heat pump is to uh, provide heat to a warmer environment. It has to transfer heat from a colder device to a hotter environment. Whereas for the refrigerator, it is the inverse, sir. So we are extracting heat from a cold device, and but our main intention is from where we are passing and taking heat.
Mhm.
And so in a heat pump, our main system is the hotter environment, whereas in a refrigerator, our main the system is same, but we are taking heat from it.
Okay. Achha, the tank case, which the problem which we have
Yes, sir.
considered, there is some
Yes, sir.
tank and some mass is evacuated from that. So how you can write the mass balance equation for this, Siddharth? मास बैलेंस इक्वेशन कैसे लिख सकते हो आप?
Mm. Sir, the internal energy of the decrease in internal energy of the tank is equal to the enthalpy of the gas which has left.
From where you are getting this, Siddharth?
Sorry,
I'm
sir?
not asking you from where you are getting this relationship, internal energy equal to enthalpy. Siddharth, from where you are getting this relationship?
Sir, because it is evacuating through the pipe, sir, and so it's flowing. So it has enthalpy, and so whatever enthalpy that is having,
Fine,
so
fine.
that has.
I'm asking you why you are mentioning that thing. Only I asked you about the mass balance.
Yes, sir. So mass balance, then it's the decrease in mass in the system, whatever has left. That is the mass balance.
Hmm. That is the mass balance equation. Only you need to mention that.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you drive that like the relationship which you are mentioning? Can you drive that relationship from that mass balance and also the energy balance?
Yes, sir. We can. So we can say that.
Mm-hmm.
Sir,
Similarly,
MU.
can you
I
write the
mean,
energy balance? Can you write the energy balance in the same way?
yes, sir. Can I write, sir?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. You can write. You can write that.
So basically, it is the mass into internal energy equal to mass into enthalpy, sir.
So just tell me the energy balance.
Yes, sir. This energy balance, I'm saying, sir. Sir, the temperature is the same, right, sir?
Hmm?
Temperature is the same.
Fine. Okay, my last question is to Siddharth. Siddharth, what is enthalpy?
Sir, enthalpy is internal energy plus PV, sir.
So what
So,
this enthalpy is representing?
sir, it is the energy of a flowing gas, sir, as opposed to
Energy
internal
of the
energy.
flowing fluid.
Yes, sir.
what that PV term is representing?
Sir, PV term, it is the it is a flow energy, sir. Actually, it is the energy required to push the fluid ahead. So it's P
There is
into
a
V.
flow energy. Yes. Okay, Siddharth, let me the feedback because generally we keep the snap mock of 10 to 15 minute duration.
Yes, sir.
So that why you are that much serious?
No, sir. I was concentrating. That's why I was looking serious. Otherwise,
But you're looking very serious actually.
yes,
That's
sir.
fine. So philosophical answer, like you're actually trying to explain the things from your own understanding. That expression I'm getting, that is a good thing. It is good to explain from your own understanding rather than bookish knowledge. But when you are explaining with your own understanding, at least you need to explain it complete. Then only it will look good. Are you getting my point, Siddharth?
Yes, sir.
So you're having two ways. Whether like you can go ahead with the bookish some definition that is complete. Otherwise, if you are going with your own philosophical answers, then you need to explain that thing in a complete manner. Are you getting?
Yes,
But
sir.
if you are explaining with your own understanding, but you are not explaining it complete, then that is just what you can say. The interviewer will not be convinced from that. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Like
So
where
that expression
when
I
where
got, ki you're trying to explain with your own understanding means some concept building is there. Like your concepts are good, okay, but finally you are unable to explain. Okay, so you need to again revise this particular subject. Okay, abhi theek hai, you're answering, but I think some work is required है ना. Some again you need to revise the subject and again you need to appear in the snap mode. सिद्धार्थ अभी थोड़ा सा NMDC के लेवल का आपका PSUs के लेवल का भी आपका प्रिपरेशन नहीं है. You need to prepare it again and you are having time. 17 को इंटरव्यू है, so you are having time and it's just a practice, Siddharth. I
yes,
think
sir.
concepts आपके अच्छे हैं, you know the things, only it's a practice. जैसे आप 3-4 बार if you will go for snap, you will be able to explain the things in a better manner. Okay, so like I asked you about thermodynamics, आप बस थोड़ा सा बता के हट गए, sir, it's a energy, study of energy. It's not only study of energy, you have to put everything in that. Sir, thermodynamics is a branch of science, sir, that deals with the energy interaction between the system and surrounding. And sir, it deals with the effect of that energy interaction on the system and surrounding. आप mention करते रहो ना.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you getting? Sir, thermodynamics is a very important subject of mechanical engineering, sir, because in every lots different areas are there where we easily analyze the energy interaction, the conversion of heat into work. Okay, then you can highlight about the first law of thermodynamics. Sir, we cannot create energy. The important information we are getting through this subject, we cannot create energy.
Yes, sir.
So what we can do, we can convert, sir. Only we can convert it from one to another. Because create नहीं कर सकते तो क्या कर सकते हैं? Convert कर सकते हैं. And that conversion, sir, we studied. How we can make that conversion more efficient? That is the sole purpose of studying this subject, thermodynamics.
Yes,
तो
sir.
उसको कहीं ना कहीं एंड करना है कंक्लूजन पे. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको ये चीजें पता नहीं होगी. You know, I think that expression I am getting. बट अभी आपने आंसर तो नहीं किया. आपने एक लाइन आंसर किया एंड देन यू स्टॉप.
Yes, sir. Thermodynamics, sir, वो थोड़ा ये हो गया था, स्टक हो गया था उसमें शुरू में.
वो ऐसे ही शुरू करेगा, बेसिक क्वेश्चन से ही शुरू करेगा. रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस अगेन यू आंसर. रिवर्सिबल का मतलब क्या होता है? प्रोसेस सर विच इज इन which can be reversed in its path without leaving any effect on its string. ठीक है, तो completely reversible का मतलब क्या होता है? प्रोसेस which is internally as well as externally reversible. Internally मतलब there is no friction. Externally मतलब there is no potential gradient. There is no thermal gradient. There is no mechanical gradient. There is no chemical gradient.
Yes, sir.
So when you're adding heat from a source and the source and the system both are at same temperature, then that heat addition process, then that process, what you can say, that is a isothermal process. The isothermal, or what you can say, externally reversible process.
Externally reversible.
Quality से क्या मतलब होता है? Quality means quality is not conserved. Conservation, the energy, total energy is conserved. But in any real process, quality क्या करती है? Degrade करती है. That is concept. Why? Because due to irreversibilities only. तो मैंने आपसे टैंक का केस पूछा. इसमें एक्चुअली मास इज नॉट कांस्टेंट. You cannot say कि P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2. You cannot apply that equation. तो तभी आप सोच रहे थे शायद कि वॉल्यूम इज कांस्टेंट, टेम्परेचर इज कांस्टेंट, तो प्रेशर भी कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा.
नहीं सर, मैं I was saying that
PV by T equal to PV by T equal to constant, but you cannot apply that because mass is not constant. Hello.
Yes, sir, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Siddharth. Now I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो
It
आपको
was lost
M1
in.
M1 मास इज नॉट कांस्टेंट, तो आप उसको PV by T नहीं लिख सकते, PV by T equal to constant. M1 you can write in terms of pressure, volume and temperature, and M2 also you can write in terms of pressure, volume and temperature.
Yes,
Then
sir.
massless, it is M1 M1 minus M2, the mass which is finally there inside the tank, और जो mass initially था.
Oh,
But उसके लिए some relationship you need to know.
yes, sir.
अगर आपको हालांकि मैंने आपको इसमें डिफिकल्टी कुछ नहीं किया, because I have given you the total freedom, you can assume anything, pressure, temperature जो भी आप assume करते, so you can mention. अभी then I asked you about the mass balance, you mentioned about the mass balance, but I don't know why you actually mentioned about that internal energy and enthalpy relationship.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so because when you mentioned, then interview surely he can ask you about that when you are mentioning any relationship about enthalpy, so you need to avoid, actually you need to be very specific what the interviewer is asking you. Okay, if you will highlight other things in which you are not comfortable enough, then obviously you will face difficulty then.
Yes, sir.
So interviewer is asking you about the mass balance, then you need to mention about the mass balance only. Similarly, energy balance क्या होगा? D by dt of the control volume, that is equal to energy out, because there is no energy in, कोई mass in तो नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
Then you need to deal with the all assumptions. अभी आप assumptions तो ले ही नहीं रहे, आप u बोल रहे हो. Why you are taking u? क्या energy u हो जाता है क्या? U is the energy? No. You need to mention the assumptions, Siddharth.
Yes, sir. Oh, actually क्या हो गया था सर? Yes, sir. आपने बोला था टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है, तो मेरे को लगा सो इंटरनल एनर्जी पर मास वो सेम ही होगा, सो दैट इनटू मास लॉस इज इक्वल टू एंथैल्पी, इसलिए ऐसे बोल रहा था मैं, बट यस सर, आई गेट योर क्वेश्चन.
ठीक है, इज दैट क्लियर नाउ सिद्धार्थ?
यस सर, नाउ
फ्री एक्सपेंशन आपने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था. सेकंड लो अगेन यू स्टार्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग विद केल्विन एंड क्लोजियस स्टेट, केल्विन प्लैंक स्टेटमेंट, क्लोजियस स्टेटमेंट. तो सेकंड लॉ को उससे अलग भी आप बता सकते हो. सर सेकंड लॉ टेल्स अस अबाउट द even we are input. First law tells us about the input is required for output. Without input, output is not possible. And so second law tells us about the even we are having input, then complete conversion of that input into output is not possible. Means 100% efficiency is not possible. And in a real processor, entropy of the universe always increases. A real process occurs in the direction of increase in entropy of the universe. In a real process, always there is a decrease in the quality of the energy. The degradation of the energy takes place. All these are the second laws of thermodynamics. Siddharth.
Yes,
then you can explain it with the Kelvin Planck's and Clausius statement also. तो थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट जनरेट करना है. अभी थोड़ा सा सीरियस आप ज्यादा लग रहे थे, तो इंटरेस्ट नहीं जनरेट कर पा रहे थे. तो इंटरव्यू देखो, इट्स like when you are interacting with any unknown person, why he will show you interest in you? आपको कुछ डिफरेंट करना पड़ेगा ना.
Yes, sir.
नहीं तो लाइक सुबह से लेके शाम तक तो 40 बच्चे आएंगे उनके पास पैनल में, तो why they will choose you? आपको something you need to show something different. Are you getting? तो सिर्फ आंसर इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, how you are answering, how you are showing your energy, how you are delivering, that matters actually. तो थोड़ा सा काम करना है. I think you go to the point, सिद्धार्थ. ठीक है. So just work on these points, and again you can appear for the snap.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Siddharth. Good luck and keep preparing.